I mean no offense to anybody. So beginning from now, zero tolerance for abuses committed by the law enforcement agencies, including the National Bureau of Investigation. Do not taint yourself in the company of known criminals and criminal syndicates. You will be sorry. There will be a major revamp. I will have an electronic thing there in the office to track your record. And I would know, at alam ko ngayon, kung sino yung mga generals who are tainted with corruption and drugs. And you know that, I know, we all know, you better resign. You have no more future in the police. Joke with anybody else, but not me. Do your duty, I will die for you. Do your duty, and if in the process you kill 1,000 persons because you are doing your duty, and I will protect you. And if they will try to impeach me, I will hurry up the process and we go out of the service together. Dodoblihin ko yung sweldo niya. Double your salary. Let me tell you now, I will not run this country with a corrupt police. Do not do it. Ever again. Ever again. Kayong mga, the younger ones, never mind about retiring. For the next 6 years, build a track record of performance that is good. Because I will plot your history, your personal history. Yung nakakaso kayo na may mga kidnapping, I will review your, and I will like to talk to you. In Malacanang, dalawa lang tayo. Sabihin mo sa akin kung anong gusto. My job is to bring peace. My job is to talk to the enemies of the state, to the Communist Party of the Philippines, to the MILF, and to the men, and see if I could make a difference in our lives. It is not a war to be fought forever. We cannot fight forever. We might have the weapons, the armaments, and the bullets, but the mortars. But that does not make a nation. My job is to bring peace. But hand in hand, I must also bring order in my country. Magbilang kayo ng oras. Ayoko ng araw. The drugs must be suppressed. It cannot be eliminated. For as long as the greed for money is there, the very corrosive effect of money has had an impact on our society. There are a lot of people, lives destroyed using it.